Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group A, Section 1 for CSCI 4340 Machine Learning, and we are going to present about assignment 1, which is feature selection and feature extraction using PCA using high-dimensional dataset. For group members, myself, Ahmad Muizzuddin bin Ahmad Rizwan, and we have Ahmad Faizal Daniel bin Muhammad Yusuf. We have Muhammad Daniel bin Shamsul Omar, and lastly Muhammad Daniel bin Muhammad Zaidi. So let's move to the next part.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Fasadinil with Yusuf. My metric number is 223867. Okay, so this is the project for our assignment 2. So first thing first, I'll explain what our dataset is about. So our dataset is about swarm behavior. It refers to a movement on animals that move in pack, like birds, fish, and so on. And when they move, they do not bump into each other. They do not have an accident or whatnot. So that is the dataset is all about. So our dataset includes around 2,401 columns and 23,000 rows. So it is high dimensional. So immediately go to the coding. So this coding is about the coding without feature selection. So it is as raw as it can be. So first we did the we did the EDA. We checked the head, we checked the columns and all. Then we select the features and target. So of course we standardize the features, and then for this model we use logistic regression. So we fit, and then we print out the evaluation. So as you can see here, the confusion metric is quite good. I wouldn't deny that. And then this is the ROC curve. It curves a bit here, but it goes on well. So our AOC score is 0.97 and the accuracy is 88%. So I could say that it's pretty good. So the issue here is the computing complexity. So when running big dataset like this, it will take a lot of times to produce the result. So of course, this takes me a lot of time, such like 10 minutes and so to run. So it's pretty long. So that's what feature selection is for. So for the next part, I'll give it to my brother.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Daniel Omar, and today I'm going to present about the feature selection using the basic feature selection. As we can see, this is the code for using the to use the basic feature selection. This is the code for to visualize the output of the figure for the confusion matrix and the false positive rate and true positive rate using the RC curve. For the classification report, the accuracy of the predicted model is 88%, as we can see in this report. Okay, next, this is the table for the matrix and the visualization for the RC curve to find the false positive rate and the true positive rate. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Daniel bin Muhammad Zaidi, and I will be presenting about the feature selection using select KBase. So here is the code to apply select KBase. So we import select KBase and f-class if and set the k to 100 to specify that we want the top 100 features. So after applying this, the dataset will be reduced in size, which make our model training faster. So this is the classification report. So looking at the overall performance, the accuracy is 0.91, meaning the model correctly predicted 91% of all instances in the dataset. Lastly, to evaluate our model further, we compute a receiver operating characteristics curve, which is ROC curve. This curve plots the true positive rate against the false positive rate at various thresholds. So this is our confusion matrix and our ROC curve. So this is all for me. Thank you.
My name is Ahmad Muizzuddin bin Ahmad Rizwan, 221679. I'm going to present about the PCA part for the question C3. So the first thing, we going to import required libraries, which is PCA, our model logistic regression, and the feature selection for select KBase, and f plus if. Before we go to PCA part, we are going to do a feature selection, which is we select 100 best features from the dataset from 2400 features using select k-best with f plus if. And then after that, we are going to use the PCA components. And then it's going to go to logistic regression, which is our model, and we are going to evaluate the PCA. So if you're running the codes, we actually got a very nice time, which is 22 seconds. It's not very long time, but not very fast, but it's a good time, running time. And this is our coefficient matrix, which is showing the pretty good accuracy. This is our ROC curve. For ROC curve, we got AUC is 0.91, which is pretty good, but it's not pretty good enough as our feature selection. If you just select KBS is the best compared to PCA. In this accuracy, we got 0.x6, which is the feature selection is better than this PCA.